Why you should date a nurse. Have you ever thought about dating a nurse? If not, you might want to reconsider. Nurses are some of the most compassionate, hardworking, and skilled professionals out there, and there are many reasons why dating a nurse could be a great idea. First and foremost, nurses are caring and empathetic individuals. They spend their days helping others and providing comfort to those in need, and that compassion carries over into their personal lives. They are great listeners and are always there to lend a supportive ear or a helping hand. When you're feeling down or going through a difficult time, a nurse will be there to support you and offer guidance. In addition to their caring nature, nurses are also highly skilled and knowledgeable. They are trained in a wide range of medical procedures and protocols, and they have the experience and expertise to handle just about any situation that may arise. Whether you're dealing with a minor injury or a more serious health issue, a nurse can provide valuable support and guidance. They can also help you navigate the often confusing world of healthcare and ensure that you're getting the best possible care. Another reason to consider dating a nurse is their dedication and work ethic. Nurses are known for their long hours and often grueling schedules, but they remain committed to their patients and their work. This level of dedication and responsibility can be very attractive in a partner, and it's a testament to their character and commitment to others. Finally, nurses have a unique perspective on life and are often able to provide valuable insight and perspective on a wide range of topics. They have seen firsthand the ups and downs of life, and they have learned to approach challenges with grace and resilience. Whether you're facing a personal problem or a difficult decision, a nurse can offer valuable advice and support. All of these qualities make nurses wonderful partners, and if you're lucky enough to be in a relationship with one, you can expect to be treated with kindness, compassion, and respect. So if you're considering dating a nurse, go for it. You won't be disappointed. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions or would like any additional information.